Hi guys! Today, we've prepared for you a whole intelligence test. You have to solve 7 riddles. Don't think that you'll do it quickly. Some of them can't be solved even by a nerd. Surely, you won't refuse such an opportunity to test your erudition. We are sure that we'll be able to surprise you, because some of these problems can really blow your brain. Already intrigued? Strain your brain, concentrate, take a deep breath, and get ready to tune your mind up. Puzzle with cubes. You can see an ordinary pyramid. Can you calculate of how many cubes does it consist of? It may seem that this is a task that any 5-year-old can cope with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. But don't rush to rejoice and turn away from the screen. It's not as simple as it seems. You obviously forgot to count those cubes, without which the pyramid in the picture would simply fall apart. We've guessed it, right? Now try again. Imagine the pyramid in the volume. You can even take a pen, a paper, and draw it. Have you managed to see 4 more lost cubes? As you already understood, the correct answer is not 6, but 10 cubes. Anyone who guessed it without our clue deserves a medal for gumption. So, let's move on. Dog. This picture shows us a dog. Yeah, exactly. It's a dog. We're not mistaken. You still can't see it, can you? Try again. Still unsuccessful? Then close the left eye, move away from the screen by 2 meters. Hey, wait, we're joking. Don't do that. Just turn the picture to see the dog. In just 2 seconds, this cute bearded man will turn into a doggy gnawing a bone. These are the wonders! If you succeed, we can congratulate you on your excellent spatial thinking. Panda. Here's another picture for you. But this time, you don't need to turn anything. In this case, you'll need to be observant and attentive. We offer you the game Find the Panda. It is really hiding somewhere in the middle of this crowd. Look a little closer. We're sure it won't slip away from your gaze. We give you a few more seconds. There, it's smiling to you. Don't you see? Then look at this blonde man in the foreground. This little mischief is hidden behind his hair. Literally peeps out of his bang. Now you see? Ta-da! Missing number. Okay, let's not torture your eyesight anymore. Now try to use both the brain and mathematical thinking. Let's count a little. Don't worry, there won't be boring examples and equations from the school courses. We won't accept your excuses. I don't understand mathematics at all and I don't know how to count. We're sure that your logic won't let you down. So, the question is, what number should be in place of the question mark? We'll give you a clue. The answer lies in multiplication. Numbers that are located on the upper, lower, and lateral sides of this octagon are the products of 2 of its neighbors. The number 60 is 6 times 10. It's simple. Therefore, in order to know what number is under the question mark, it's enough to multiply 10 and 9, and you get 90. You see, that task wasn't terrible at all. Age of the grandfather. Look at this picture. You'll undoubtedly say that this is a grandfather. However, you'll be surprised if you find out that he's only 25 years old. How's that possible, you ask? In fact, the answer is very simple. Leap years. Yep, exactly. The leap year happens every 4 years, and February that year lasts 1 day longer. And the grandfather on this picture was born exactly on the extra day, on February 29th. Poor thing, he didn't get lucky. You probably wouldn't want to celebrate your birthday only 1 time in 4 years. Hidden faces. Look at this tree. You may have a feeling that someone is looking at you, right? If so, don't rush to panic or to think you've turned insane. You are perfectly normal, and even more so, you're very observant. There are many other people hidden in this picture, and to find them all, it's necessary to try hard. Well, share with us, how many of them have you found? In fact, we constantly get lost too, despite the fact that we know the answer. There are as many as 10 of them. Here, look, where are they all hiding? Square of matches. And this, perhaps, is the most difficult puzzle in our video. If you solve it, you can call yourself a genius. So, attention. There are 4 matches in front of you, and you need to move just one of them to make a square. You can even take matches at home and practice. We're sure it'll be easier to find a solution this way. Well, how's your progress? In fact, you just need to move the top match up a bit so that the ends of the matches touch each other's corners. Here, can you see that? This way, we actually get a square, even though it's, of course, very small. But in fact, there's nothing said about its size in the problem. So now you can tell this riddle to your friends too. That's all for today. See you soon, guys!